In this video, I will be showing you guys how you guys can log in into a Bank of Melbourne's online banking account. And it's pretty simple, so follow the steps which I'm going to be showing you guys. And before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel How to Guide, like this video and subscribe to our channel for future videos just like this. Let's move on. First step, you want to search for Bank of Melbourne login like this, and press on enter to search for it. Once you do that, the first option, internet banking log on, click on it and make sure it takes you to banking.bankofmelbourne.com.au. It's Australian bank, so make sure you check this URL is correct and click on it. Once you do that, it's going to bring you to this page, and once you're in this page, over here you can either enter your card number or your customer access number. Just enter it, and over here where it says security number, enter the security number, and where it says internet password, enter the internet password, and over here choose your issue number as well and just click on log on. You should be able to log in into your Bank of Melbourne's online banking account. It's that simple. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit that subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.